everyone. We are trying something new today. Look at my lovely mother. This is called social distancing across the country. And we're gonna do a couple baking segments. One she's gonna do. Mom, would you like to explain?
I'm gonna make a lemon meringue pie.
I am making dark chocolate banana oatmeal cookies, which I've never made before, so.
Yeah, because you know why? We've got time. We've got all the time in the world, correct?
I know.
And I have made my coffee, and I am going to film the two of you doing your thing, and I will just be, oh, you've got your iced coffee? What do you have, Mom?
Well, I'm not gonna have iced coffee or tea or whatever like you two are gonna enjoy in a moment. I'm gonna have both hands busy beating these egg whites for the meringue for the pie.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And maybe a cup of tea after.
Afterwards, I'm gonna have a nice big cup of tea.
All right. So you're gonna do your thing. You're going to video yourself doing it. I'm gonna get Shanae going, and we'll touch base soon.
Grandma and Mom tend to scream into any device they're talking into, so we are 2 minutes into recording, and I'm already gonna pop some Tylenol. I was expecting this. I'm doing my best.
Well, I'm just about finishing up the meringue for the pie. I did most of it, so it's not so loud for all of you. So I'm going to continue a bit, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Sugar. Well, it's holding nice peaks, so it's ready to put on the pie. I baked the pie a little tiny earlier this morning. Here's the meringue pie. And so this just goes right on top. One of the tricks is to take the meringue all the way to the sides. Kind of seals the pie. Okay, I've got all the sides. It looks like it's sealed. And now I'm gonna put it into the oven.
I'm making banana oatmeal chocolate chip cookies.
Yep. And why did you want to make those?
Because they sounded really good. Because I've never made cookies like this.
What do we normally make?
Chocolate chip cookies.
We sure do.
Yeah.
What,
Yeah.
Mom?
Whoops. I just heard chocolate chip cookies. I could not restrain myself.
You said yum.
Yum!
Okay, so. All right, what website is that from?
Well Plated by Aaron.
Excellent. Very
It's
good.
on Google, so.
Cool. All right, so over here we've got, let's.
I just want to make my dang cookies.
You don't want this to follow you?
No.
Okay, I'll talk to Grandma then.
Okay, go for it.
And hopefully we're not gonna annoy her too much because we're a little bit loud. I'm gonna try to be very sedate and very whispery. So Mother, I don't know. Because I don't want to get on my family's nerves because we're all kind of like stuck together.
Yeah, oh, I understand that.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so tell me about the lemon trees down there.
Well, this is orange and lemon and grapefruit country in Arizona, especially in Phoenix and up areas. But I have friends that have lemon trees, and they've been supplying me all winter long. And then I supply a few other people, but I've frozen 8 bottles, water bottles, small ones. But I get them periodically, and then I just baked some lemon cookies for your dad. I baked some lemon pies and some lemon curd for scones, and basically, I'm cooking.
What's lemon curd? What's lemon curd?
Lemon curd is more or less the...
What? Oh, by the way, then I have to show everybody how I pierced her ear later because it really fits in and ties into baking. Okay, go on.
Lemon curd is what the English use with their scones a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of clotted cream or even with clotted cream. But the lemon curd that I made, there's different recipes, but the lemon pudding, whatever, for this lemon meringue pie is really lemon curd. And so I've heard this for a lot of years, but at night, early in the night for us, because we're older, you put a couple slices of lemon in a glass or a cup with boiling water and let it cool just a tiny bit, but drain
I was gonna say, plus the vitamin C is good.
Yes, just wait a minute. Yep,
Okay.
here it is.
How's it looking?
That's looking gorgeous.
Nice.
If I do say so myself.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Well, here's the pie. A little warm. Here you see. Got it on a wire rack so it'll cool without getting soggy on the bottom. Gotta remember that. The meringue stays in the oven probably about 10-12 minutes. The lemon meringue pie recipe I've had for years used to come from an Argo cornstarch box, but they aren't there anymore. So I would guess you could find it on Argo cornstarch website, whatever. It's a really good lemon meringue pie recipe. So it doesn't take a whole lot of lemon. Like lemon, 1.5 lemons, about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and just zest from 1 lemon. So it doesn't take a lot, but it makes a really nice, sweet, tangy pie. So hope you enjoyed me kind of making it. So these are the lemons that I've been getting from friends. Quite a bit of the winter. Aren't they gorgeous though? Here's my little tea set that I'm going to have a cup of tea pretty soon.
What are you doing now?
Mashing the bananas.
All right. Looking, smashing. How much do you enjoy spending so much time with your mother?
Super fun.
All right, and why is that?
Oh my gosh.
Look at those eggs going.
Oh,
Wow.
pretty saucy. Doesn't that look
Oh my God, so far, like, why aren't you whipping it out a little bit quicker? Oh, here. You got that.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Huh. Is that flour?
the
Oh,
oats
that's
and
the
the
flour and the
flour
oats.
I don't think life is a movie.
Oh, what about our YouTube lives?
Very scripted.
No, it's not. It is not scripted.
We're not professionals.
We're very much unprofessionals. Okay, so what happened a couple Saturday nights ago?
I convinced you to pierce my ear.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. Do you want to show everybody?
Okay. So I have, this is my 7th piercing, is the triple up here.
Yeah. It reminded me of when I was in 11th grade, and Carla was living with us, Mom, and I think we pierced your 3rd hole in the bathroom. You pierced my 3rd hole, which I actually just put another one in because you had an extra, and I just popped it right in like it was back when I was a junior in high school. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful. We got dark chocolate in there, we got bananas and oatmeal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all right, throw her in the old oven.
I wonder if they're done.
Well, let's check it out.
I think we should.
All right. Oh, look at them.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Now they look a little doughy, but touch it and see. Yeah, they're done.
They're done.
Yeah, that's how they're supposed to look. Nice.
Saucy.
All right. Oops. What happened there? Better not eat that one. We're missing one. What do you got there, Mom?
Well, I have my pie. I'd like to show you.
Show us
Please
visually.
do.
Show and tell. Show and tell.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. It's
Oh, yeah. We
uh-oh.
can have a whole bloopers reel after this one.
Yeah, I know. Bloop it up, man. So Mom, what do you have there?
I have the finished product. Here is my lemon meringue pie. Mine is just light brown, so it's just perfect. And it's still warm, so I'm going to put it down on its rack so it'll cool. And then your dad, when he gets back from his walk, can have a piece of pie and maybe a cup of coffee. And he can be happy camper.
Excellent. Happiness, happiness.
He will be a happy camper.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so what do we have here, Nate?
The cookies.
Mom, what do we have here? What do you think of our cookies?
Okay. Oh, they look good.
They are good. You know, basically we had a couple bites and they taste like banana bread with dark chocolate.
Yep.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well,
Kinda like in a
chocolate
cookie
always
form.
is a good ingredient in
Yes.
anything.
Dad, come try a cookie and be in the vlog so that we all have to suffer.
Come on now.
Can you please?
You know you want to.
He's backing off.
Come on. Cookie's sit right here.
Come on.
Mary, come on, Ricardo.
Let's go. We're getting bored over here.
Come on now.
Come on.
He's playing with the dog. I don't know what's. Now he's throwing the dog toys in here.
Come on.
He's looking around the corner. He's going.
Try him. I put all my heart and soul into it. I made them just for you.
We'll catch him later.
This was kind of an experiment, but it was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was awesome. Yeah,
Yeah.
It actually turned out better than I thought. What are you guys gonna do today?
I don't know. We might take a little ride somewhere. I might make us a peanut butter sandwich and head off in the mountains again. So I don't know what we're gonna do.
Well, good.
Or nothing. Or nothing.
Yeah.
You know, there's
Just
an alternative.
And then maybe sit out in your patio and enjoy a piece of pie and a cup of tea. Actually, coffee goes really well with lemon meringue. We're gonna enjoy our cookies and find something else to do and catch you all in the next vlog.
Yes,
Sounds
ma'am.
good.
All right, see you later.
Love you guys.
All right, love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, hello. We are back in the evening.
Yeah, I look slightly less presentable because I went on a bike ride, but whatever.
Mhm,
Okay, so I got bored today, and also these were the first ones, the oatmeal ones,
Mhm.
but they were like healthy, so not that good, but they're still good, whatever. And then
They were,
adequate.
Yeah.
And then
beautiful
And then here we had
so tasty.
yeah, they're really good.
Well, describe them.
Okay, so we had espresso chocolate chips. So that one is chocolate espresso chip, basically. So it has like cocoa powder in it and like melted chocolate chips, and then the espresso chips mixed in.
And if you like chocolate and you like coffee, those are the best
Yeah, it's actually
cookies
so good.
ever. Where are we
All
going?
your pot holders are gone too. As soon as this woman comes to the kitchen, all my stuff is just gone.
I know, because I'm a cleaner.
Yep. Okay. So and then here we have sea salt caramel cookies. So yeah,
Those gotta be
basically-
the best.
Yeah, we went to Grandma's house to get the flakes. 'Cause I like, you can really only get them at Amazon for the little toppings.
Yep.
And then, yeah,
Thanks for sharing this because these are all really, really yummy.
yeah.
This is it for reals.
All right,
Bye.
peace out.
Bye.